Hi, basically tips from Patrick Academy. Five things that you need to do daily in order to crack CAT. So you're looking at cracking CAT, this is what you need to do. We do run classes for MBA Entrance Exam, been there for more than 22 years, so fairly understand how to go about cracking the examination. So first and the most important thing with regards to preparation is reading. Okay, because reading not only helps you in verbal section, because after 24 questions, 16 questions is RCs, and then other questions also depend on reading, but it also helps you to understand the quant question and dialogue question because they're twisted. You understand and able to comprehend the language, you're better able to understand the questions which are there, both for DLR and quant. So ensure that you create a good habit of reading. So reading for 1 hour daily should help. Remember that consistency is the key. Okay, so you need to be regular, not that you read for one day and not read the other day. Also choose a place and time, a fixed place and time to read. Maybe you get up in the morning and you read, or maybe just before your sleep you read. Ensure that whatever book you're reading is there close to you, so that things that are easy, you tend to do that. So if books that you want to read are close, you tend to do that. Also avoid distraction during that time. You can follow Pomodoro technique of reading, which we have, or Pomodoro technique of studying, which we have created video for. But yes, try to avoid distraction. Have a focused time. Let's say I'll do 20 minutes of reading and stretch, do a 20 minutes reading, take a break, then maybe come back and do a 10-minute reading, 20-minute reading, and so on. Focus preparation. Second is CAT is all about thinking ability. Solve puzzles for 15 minutes, maybe crosswords, Sudoku, Wordle, puzzle book. So these are different kind of puzzles that you can do that will help you maybe develop thinking ability. It's important again to be consistent, so practice daily. Okay. Also key is to enjoy, try different type of puzzles. Just trying to focus on one thing doesn't help. Maybe you can start with Sudoku or Minesweeper. Simple questions on Sudoku or Minesweeper should basically help you with regards to solving puzzles. Try with simple things and then maybe later on you can move on to medium level stuff. Calculation. To CAT doesn't have a calci. Quick calculation helps you to save time in the exam. Simple calculation, 2-digit calculation sufficient. So practicing daily helps you to improve on your calculation speed, especially mental calculation. It helps you to in both quant and DLR section. So we do have a daily calculation sheet that will help you to improve on your calculation speed. Ensure you do your calculation. Simple, don't get into tough calculation or master calculation, doesn't help. Doing those Vedic mathematics or abacus or something is not useful for CAT. Simple calculation is more than sufficient, try doing that. Make a daily plan. So before the day ends, plan your next day. Okay, ensure it is written down plan as such. A lot of people just prepare daily whatever it comes, but then they tend to waste time in deciding what to prepare, what not to prepare. Also they do not know their progress properly. Having a written down plan definitely helps in knowing what to prepare, what not to. It will reduce the wastage of time and you will know how are you progressing with regards to it. Okay. So I do have this Road to 100 series which are there. You can go to those videos that will help you to understand the methods that are there to solve the questions. So we have that Road to 100 playlist, go through it. Also a lot of other videos that are released that helps you in developing good methods and solves. You can use that as far as preparation. Last is focus preparation. Try to focus the preparation solve. What happens is you know what to prepare. Don't prepare everything. So if you want to score high in a section, you're preparing like a 99 plus or something on that, then you need to focus on weak areas for a section. For example, I want to maximize my score on quant and I know my algebra is weak. I'll focus on algebra so that I can try to maximize my score. Okay, but if I'm only trying to clear cutoff, my quant is my weak area and just want to clear the cutoff, then I will focus on my strong areas. I'll pick up a few areas, strong areas, try to be good at it so that I can. Because focusing on weak areas doesn't help, because you will end up preparing a lot on your weak areas. In the exam, you will tend to leave those questions anyway. Because understand, CAT is more about leaving the question than solving. So having a proper strategy on what to prepare, what not to prepare becomes important. Okay. Also, a lot of students end up preparing on topics which do not come in the exam. There is base theory, remainder theorem, there are a lot of things on probability, permutation, combination that don't come in the examination. They tend to prepare, they're more difficult, you get disheartened, you waste a lot of time on it and they don't come in the exam. So knowing the weightage of each topic and then preparing accordingly definitely helps. A tip, whenever you start a day, start with your weak area. So if you feel your weak area is verbal, maybe you can start with reading. If you feel your weak area is quant, maybe start with preparing half an hour, 1 hour of quant. Start with your weak area, because morning you're more more focused and more consistent as compared to maybe later in the evening. We don't know what will happen. You may have something else that will distract you. Start with your week area, right? I hope this helps. Remember, consistency is key. What is important is both aptitude and attitude. You need to be good at aptitude, but you also need to have the right attitude to crack the examination, right? Writing the CAT, do subscribe to our channel. All the best.